kajika di komputer bat di laptop kabahajan jongphi hapaham sim nongpo Riboy district marpersya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School wantit nangi ngin airu kawaranti hendriu banaya ki laptop bat khatar banaya ki desktop kini ki mar refurbish lane ki all stock
Anang Pynkhlain shushu Iaka jingelong teli lang ki Nongtrei sorkar jong ketrat ke kot ke khia menen ke sengi ke pratrik na wiang arjal pusau Haka Sien ke basau ke National Health Mission NHM Employees Association of Meghalaya kala pelong Iaka Iakynduh lang ki Nongtrei jong ke kot ke khia jong barok ki Nongtrei ke ni ke snat trikam ki badan hapok ke jela borok kwe Hasin Paul Parish Hall Nongpo Riboy District Haka ni kesengi lai don lang UMLA ke Nongpo constituency uba Middle Bond Sien kum kongsan haka jingin don kat lang Ram Kumar Bediru mission director ke NHM jong ke sorkar jela bat president DEC Riboy uba box star Sien lem bat ki Nongtrei jong ke H&M haba ajing kerana ke liang UMLA ke Nongpo uba Middle Bond Sien ulapan pau ke jing songo tenat ban yok dan bentah haka ni kesengi ban aim Sien ya ki Nongtrei jong ke kot ke khia ki bedai ki Nong Shakri ki berat ba haka imlang ke salang.
And we are happy in our midst. Sri Ram Kumar also is here, the mission director of NHM. And we felt that the NHM in the past few years, it has touched to a great height within the state. I have to say this today. It is due to the dedication, the sincerity of the officer, especially Ram Kumar, who are here with us, and all the officials who work tirelessly to make this mission a successful one. As I have said in my opening remark, that the policy maker of our country, be it with the system that has been placed before each and every one of us through the National Rural Health Mission then and now as a National Health Mission. Also with other mission that the Government of India has launched with the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, be the other mission that have been launched by the central government to ensure that each and every initiative that the central and the state government is taking, it has to reach at ground zero. I must confess that as a member of the Legislative Assembly in the government of India, I have witnessed various programs within the state and outside the state also, where we had the privilege to listen, to see, to witness the initiative that has been taken by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, at the same time by the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya. It reminds me of the hard work that each and every one of you has been taken in the past, especially during COVID-19, during the COVID pandemic between the year 2020, 21, 22. I must place on record my sincere thanks to each and every one of you who have worked despite of so many challenges that you have been through during those times. But still, you did listen to all the criticism that has been made.
And we have seen what corrections we could make. So that sense, my sincere thanks to you. My thanks to Dr. Kynhun, the moment president of the team. When I am looking at from our health departments of the government of Meghalaya's perspective, being united, sitting together for one common cause. That's what makes us very, very important. That is what I think I'm also very happy to be here. In fact, I would have missed this program today. I was supposed to travel to Arunachal Pradesh for a conference yesterday. and fortunately or unfortunately my flight got cancelled. So I had to stay back, and so after this program I have to attend the same conclave online, probably sitting in the car or something. So I have to address a session there also. But I am really happy that I could be here. Otherwise I would have missed being here with all of you. I'm very happy to see a gathering which is bringing all our public and government servants from at least from health department together. This is what we've been trying to achieve for the last 5-6 years, trying to bring everyone together. That's the most important achievement. Just tell you a small story. Since it's not even a story, it's actually a real instance. And the first Apollo missions, I hope all of you know what the Apollo missions were. These are the NASA's missions to go to the moon, which were started in the 1960s. It happened. By the 1960s, if you remember the world history, a lot of divisions were there, you know. People will, because of the time of the Cold War, people will not trust each other, they will blame one for another, etc. The first time when humans actually left Earth so far was during that mission. After that, we have never gone that far. Probably are going to go in the next 2 years. We have never been to that far. We are trying to go to Mars. I had the chance of meeting one of the astronauts who went to moon this last May in US when I was there. I had the chance to meet him. His name is Charles Duke. I think he's one of the 2 or 3 members who are still alive, who have actually gone to the mission. 12 of them had gone, and he's one of those people who is still alive. And I had the great fortune to meet him. And I was asking what are the things he's doing in life. He's done business, he's a very successful businessman. He had a lot of family issues, in fact. He's spoken about it in the public forum. And I was so quite surprised. A person who's gone all the way to the moon, we think everything would have come to them. No. Then I said, what made you see?